guys, it's Darian. Thanks for coming to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to start the process of getting the plants that I've had outside for the summer ready to bring back inside. It's in the forecast this week that the nights are going to get towards the 50s, which is where you want to start bringing your tropical plants inside. So what I'm going to do to start getting these ready is I'm going to soak them in a bath of some castile soap, some insect killer, and neem oil. I'm going to let that sit for about half an hour just to make sure that everything that might be hanging out in these plants is gone before I bring them back inside. So I've got this 17-gallon bucket that I'm filling with water, and then I'm going to just kind of eyeball these products. This is 2 ounces per gallon, and I don't have that much left, so I'll probably end up putting most of this in there. Some castile soap, the Dr. Bronner's baby version, and some pure concentrated neem oil. So the first plant I'm going to put in is this Hoya Liatii. It has grown so much this summer, and I'm sure, see, there's a spider. Oh, and I'm sure she'll be sad to go back inside, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So I'm just going to submerge her, pot and all, in the tub. This next one is this Hoya DS70, and she is just blooming like crazy. It's covered in blooms, and I'm just gonna put it on top of this one. This is my Sis's Discolor. She could probably use a trim. Here's just a Rex begonia. She's kind of sunburned, and she has some bug damage. This Calathea, I think she's got too much sun being outside. Okay, so I put an empty plastic pot in there, and then I set my Cebu Blue on top to hold them down. And I'm going to let those chill for about 30 minutes, and then we'll take them out, clean them up, rinse them off, water them really well to get all the soap and stuff off of them, and then they're ready to bring in. Okay, so these have been soaking for about 25 minutes. potting. So I'm going to skim this excess stuff out. Jade plant, regal shield, and Mexican petunia. Oh, shoot. Passion flower vine, some cacti, See, this is why we clean out our pots. I don't want to bring this little guy in. Oh my.